Alright, as always, if you all enjoyed this video, then please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more content just like this in the future. Today, got some, that's a red straw. I've never gotten one of these from Arbys before. Today, I guess it's weird. It's weird. I got a weird video for you all today. They changed their napkins too. Their napkins are tiny as hell today. What the hell is going on? But I got 2 roast beef half pounds. But the way that I'm gonna eat them is probably gonna be really weird to you. And it's because I don't really eat the buns on roast beef half pounds anymore. I just kind of take the meat from off the top. I think it's better this way. Arby's roast beef is so damn good that it doesn't need anything else. No sauce, no bread, no anything. Oh, I got Dr. Pepper, like always. So this right here, this is the reason why Arby's is my favorite fast food place. Because of this stuff right here. So about 20 minutes ago, I was really excited because I matched with the girl on one of the dating apps. The problem with this particular dating app, though, is that for some reason that I can't think of, it just won't show me anybody close to where I live. Like, it's showing me people literally like a state or 2 away. So I'm like, whatever, fuck it. I'll just give people likes indiscriminately to make them feel good. But this girl and I matched. I was like, oh, it's cool, it's interesting. It's fun, you know, exciting. I'll try to talk to her maybe. So I'm in the middle of, so we match. I send her a nice intro message, and then I go check her profile so I can like maybe talk to her about some of the things on her profile. And literally the first thing that it says is that on her profile is that she's looking for someone who likes polyamory. And I tell you what, it has been a little bit of time since I have read something and immediately hated it that fast. And then it's just, you know, I mean, you guys might think that this is harsh, but as soon as I read that, I immediately blocked this girl's profile and unmatched with her, and that's the end of that story. So, and I've said it before on the channel, I hate that kind of stuff. I think a relationship should be between 2 people, and that's it. You know, do whatever you want with your life, but you better keep that shit away from me, because I don't like it, and I don't understand people who do it. And I've talked about it before. The last girl that I dated, the one who cheated on me, she wanted a polyamorous relationship. And the first time she asked me about it, I shot it down so fast. And then somehow, some way, she made me feel bad for not wanting that kind of thing. I'm the asshole because I'm an asshole because I don't want to share you with someone else. It's fucking stupid. Oh man, that's so good. Sometimes I just don't understand why people hate on Arby's. Like, God, it's the greatest roast beef that you can get anywhere in the fucking world, honestly. Like, nothing else comes close. I'm trying to stop myself and talk to you all, but it's so good that I can't stop eating it. Like, man. I thought I had to burp right there. Oh, there we go. I wish there was a way that I could, like, just buy their roast beef and not anything else. Just buy, like, 10 pounds of it. Take it home with me, heat it up and eat it whenever I want to. This is probably the closest I can get, though. It was funny. I learned some crazy stuff on Saturday. Apparently, you can buy a bag of Sonic's ice at Sonic. Because I was in the stall at Sonic, and then I saw the car hub come out with somebody's food in one hand and a bag of ice, like Sonic branded ice, in the other. And I was like, what the fuck? You can buy Sonic's ice just regular? The hell? One, why would you do that? Two, why would anybody want that? And three, why don't you just go buy regular ice from, like, the gas station or Walmart? Why'd you come to Sonic? That's weird, I don't get it. Oh, man. Well, that was good. If you all enjoyed this video, then please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more content just like this in the future. Whenever you all do that for me, helps me stay motivated to make more content for you all in the future. Once again, thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye.